going on, shucky duckies? Where you going? Pickles and Delilah. My daughter had to have Alex starting the show. Although it was shown before, but now it's really going. All the leaves are down. Gonna stack up some more logs. Get one more higher, this high. And then I can stop adding dirt to, whatever, compost. I'm gonna try to air prune some of these and make cuttings. Same with this. We've got a plum and a peach tree coming off the thing. I know they say don't let the grafted tree take hold, but I wanted to see. It's a peach tree. That's a plum tree. That's my pear tree. And I did let some of the root stock take hold here too to see what this was. This is where I'm leveling up to put the pool. Bought a pool 2 years ago, still haven't put it up. But that's me taking sand from the duck pond and adding it up here. Try to get a level spot. All right, so I had to fix the RV door. One of the springs, looks like a pen spring too. It broke, and I didn't know what size spring. So I brought home a big spring and cut it in half, and now it works again. It works enough where I can open and close my door again, which is wonderful. So for the last 3 years, we've put the Christmas tree up outside because it won't fit in the RV. And storm comes and blows it over every time. So this is the single wide I bought to fix up. I haven't fixed nothing up. It's not a trap house. Look. Yeah, we got garlic. Got the Christmas tree. Watch where I stop. Then this is the room I started tearing apart before I lost all hope. But we revamped. We getting back into it. So it'll happen. Just taking me longer than expected. Have a good Merry Christmas, y'all. I got a few pine trees I want out of the way, but that's a glorious sunset. In my little redneck world here.